Welcome to ZK Mobile. Welcome to ZK Mobile, your trusted source for the latest smartphone reviews and mobile tech updates. Today, we're diving into the features and performance of the Infinix Note 50 Pro, a device that promises powerful specs at an affordable price. Design and display. The Infinix Note 50 Pro comes with a sleek and modern design, featuring a premium finish that gives it a stylish look. It boasts a large 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals and vibrant colors for an immersive experience, whether you're gaming or watching videos. Performance and hardware. Under the hood, the Note 50 Pro is powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate processor, coupled with 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. This setup ensures smooth multitasking, fast app loading, and decent gaming performance. Plus, with extended RAM technology, users can get an extra boost for demanding tasks. Camera capabilities. The phone features a 108MP main rear camera that delivers impressive clarity and detail in good lighting conditions. Supporting cameras include a 2MP depth sensor and AI lens for enhanced photography. On the front, a 32MP selfie camera takes care of clear and sharp self-portraits, supported by AI beauty modes and night filters. Battery and charging. Battery life is one of the strong points of the Infinix Note 50 Pro. It houses a 5000 mAh battery that can easily last a full day of heavy use. Additionally, the 45W fast charging support allows for quick top-ups, getting you back to full power in no time. Software and features. Running on XOS 13 based on Android 13, the device provides a clean and feature-rich user experience. It comes with smart features like Lightning multi-window, privacy protection, and improved system optimization, making everyday tasks easier and faster. Conclusion, final thoughts. The Infinix Note 50 Pro stands out in the mid-range market with its powerful specs, beautiful display, and solid camera setup. It's a great option for users looking for a high-performance phone without breaking the bank. For more reviews and mobile updates, stay tuned to ZK Mobile. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in mobile tech.